Juicing for skin health. Do you have acne? Maybe a few blemishes or red marks on your skin? If so, then you should try drinking vegetable juice to see if it helps clear up the problem. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss juicing for skin health. Let's get started. Can vegetable juices clear your skin? Many people believe that drinking vegetable juice is a great way to cleanse the skin. This belief has been so popular in recent years that celebrities have been detoxing with juicing regimes as part of their beauty treatments. Studies have found that people who drink vegetable juices may have a better skin condition than those who do not. Vegetable juice can help clear your skin by reducing the toxins in your body, increasing the blood flow to your face, and improving hydration levels within it. Carrot juice for acne. Carrot juice is high in antioxidants and vitamin A, which help clear acne. Carrot juice cleans you from the inside and gives you glowing skin. Carrots contain vitamin C, B12, E, and K, which are all great for getting rid of those toxins, and hence, clearing the skin. Beetroot juice for eczema. Beetroot juice is the type of vegetable that may help people with eczema. A study found beetroot had a positive effect in alleviating the symptoms associated with eczema, such as itching, dryness, inflammation, and redness. Benefit of ginger for the skin. Ginger can reduce the oil that skin secretes, which often leads to spots. It also significantly reduces the bacteria on the surface of the skin. Turmeric. Turmeric is a lovely yellow root and has been used to spice foods for hundreds of years. It can also heal wounds and soothe inflammation. It calms the redness and reduces the swelling caused by acne flare-ups. So, that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.